Hi, good morning everyone. Here I got a Mercedes GLC 250 and I'm gonna show you how to replace the latest wipers. You see here. Yeah, if you make sure it's this end is pressed down and then you just pull it out like that. You pull it out. Out, and that's it. And here I got this is a new Mercedes wipers. Make sure you see the sticker is facing up, and then you just push it in like that. Yeah, push it in. See, once it's in, you just these things you push it in. You just put it in like that and then it's done. It's very simple. Yes, you see the old wipers, when the color change to yellow, that means it's time to change the wipers. The new wipers is clear color. Peel the sticker off. Once you install the wipers, peel the sticker off. Yeah, see, it should be clear color.